Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Tacx Neo 2T. First, carefully remove all components from the packaging. Next, attach the front wheel support to ensure stability. Then, install your bike's cassette onto the trainer's freehub body, making sure it's properly tightened. Finally, connect the power adapter to the trainer and plug it into an outlet. You're now ready for the next step. Now, let's get your bike mounted. Begin by removing your bike's rear wheel. Carefully lift your bike and align its rear dropouts with the trainer's axle. Gently lower the bike onto the trainer, ensuring the chain sits correctly on the cassette. Secure the bike firmly using your quick-release skewer or through axle. Double-check that everything feels stable and aligned before proceeding. With your bike mounted, it's time to connect to your favorite training apps. First, download the application you wish to use on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Ensure Bluetooth or ANT+ is enabled on your device. Open the app and search for available devices. Your Tacx Neo 2T should appear. Select it to pair, and you'll be ready to enjoy immersive and interactive training sessions. Before your first full workout, do a short test ride to confirm everything is working smoothly. For maintenance, regularly wipe down your trainer to remove sweat and dust, which helps prolong its life. Periodically inspect your cassette and chain for any signs of wear. When not in use, store your Tacx Neo 2T in a dry, stable environment to keep it in top condition for many rides to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.